In this video, I am going to show you how to secure your WhatsApp group from scammers. Most of the times, when you don't know how to secure your group, scammers will invade your group and begin to post rubbish. But after watching this video, you are going to learn and also apply how to secure your group without anybody posting what is not required of that group. So many people are not aware. They just open a group, allow people to join and begin to post things. And some group members who don't know what most of the posts that comes to the group will think that is the admin which they know made the post. Some are videos. Some come in form of links and they will begin to follow them. So after this video, you're going to learn how to secure your video, your group, and lock it or close it from scammers. Now, this is a group where I teach teenagers online. Yes. So the name of the group is teenstalk.com. So if you open your group as this Teen Talk is being opened now, you now click on that very particular place that is written teenstalk.com. So when you click on it now, see what will happen. It will open like this, okay? So when it opens like this now, you will now see all the things inside your group. You scroll down. So when you scroll down, you will see this. This is what you're going to see. You will see custom notifications, media visibility, encryption, then group settings. You are going to click on the group settings. So when you click on the group settings now, this is what you're going to see. Yes, you will see edit group info, only admins, send messages, all participants. Because this has been edited, that is why you see only admins are to edit group info. Some people will just be in the group, all of a sudden, someone will just change the title of the group to something else. So at that edit group info, that is where you change it to only admins. But if you want everybody to edit your group info for you, to edit your group title, to change it to anything, you better click on edit group info and it will change to only admins and not all participants. Now, we are working on sending messages to the group. So you will click on send messages, all right? Because it's already on the default all participants. When you click on it, this is what is going to happen. This is what you will see. You will see send messages. Choose who can send messages to this group. And you will see all participants. Then the next one is only admin. Now, you have cancel. You also have OK. In this very video, I am teaching you how to restrict any kind of messages coming to your group. You are going to click on only admins. If you click on only admins, let's see what you get. You are going to see something like this. You will see send messages. Choose who can send messages to this group. Here you will have all participants. Because you have clicked on only admins, now you will see the dot there showing green. So you now click on OK. Click on OK. When you click on OK, this is what you will see. You will see edit group info will be only admins. Send messages will also be only admins. Now, if you want to edit group admins, that is, if you want to add somebody as your admin, if you click on group admins, that is another video anyway, but I want to stay here and also show you how to do it. If you want to remove somebody from being admin, you can edit group admins here. Either add someone as an admin or you remove the person from being admin. I hope this video is helpful. I hope after this you will not be creating a group on WhatsApp and adding people or allowing people who will come in to drop videos of maybe pornography without you knowing what is going on. You may be in your house Probably you are not online and somebody will just come and drop all sort of pictures or videos for those in your group, and it will enter all their phones. And you that created the group, a lot of your group members will begin to leave, because some of them may think that you conspired with the person who dropped the video so that they will receive it through you. So if you follow this very well, you will be the one that will be dropping posts in the group, or any post that is being approved by you. Anything of this nature, anything less than this, nobody will just come in, no scammer will come in, no foreigner will just come into your group and begin to use it. Sometimes some of them will even remove you if you don't know what you are doing. Remove you from your group, and that is it. So they will not take charge of those who are inside the group and begin to post nonsense to them. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you will apply what is there. If you did not follow, if you did not understand what I show you, I can still get back to the beginning. This is teenstalk.com. When you click on the title, you will have something like this. When you see the inside of the group, you scroll down to where it is written group settings. You click on the group settings, then you will see edit group info. You change it to only admins. You will also see send messages. You also click on send messages. So when you click on send messages, you will see all participants. You remove that and click on only admin and click on OK. When you click on OK now, you will see only you that will edit your group info. Only you, also being the admin, will also send messages to the group, except those you added as your admins to help you in the group. Only the admins that will monitor what is going on, remove whoever they want to remove, and also edit your group, send messages or send videos, and lock the group anytime they want to lock it. I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much. You can subscribe to Mentor Chris Academy channel. It's on YouTube. I did this on YouTube so that more of how to work or either on WhatsApp groups or how to make money, learn online skills, use it online, also train people online, and other things. I also train people offline where we are stationed in Anambra State. So click on subscribe button. It doesn't cost you money when you go to my YouTube channel, so that more of this type of videos and other online skills will be sent to you whenever we make our videos. Thank you and God bless you.